Hey, what's up, holders? What's going on this time, my friend? We will talk about the SLP, one of my favorite coin, SLP. This time, my friend, also on the trending in crypto market, but definitely in previous days, my friend, the condition is very good now. But this time, my friend, the current condition of SLP is going very good now. So therefore, I am so happy and I'm really appreciated now, my friends. This time, so you can see your SLP price will increasing 1.23 percent, my friends. You can see here they will pump up, so definitely it's really good news, my friend, for all SLP coin holder. To the price will increasing now, and definitely when a holder are starting buying, when a holder are starting investing, then the price is completely increasing. So therefore the SLP prices completely go to the moon. All right, holders, so this time you can see, my friend, SLP price is starting pumping up. I think, my friend, the expert says to in upcoming time, my friend, they will, there is also chance to they will increasing, they will pumps up. So I think the all credit goes to the team of SLP coin holders, and also, my friends, for the holders, because when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting buying, then 100% the coin is moving upward. But when a holder are starting investing, and sorry, my friend, when a holder are starting selling, and, my friend, stop investing, then 100% the coin is completely go down, go to the garbage. So therefore, a previous days, my friend, the condition is also very critical. Now you can say minus 2.15% they will lose now in last 24 hours. So therefore I think the SLP condition is very critical now. But this time, my friend, is going very good now, because, my friend, you can see here, if we check out the 4 hour, if we check out the 2 hour, so there is absolutely, my friend, the price is increasing. I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the SLP price will more and more increasing, but you will need to hold down, and, my friends, stop selling. So thanks for watching, my SLP coin holders. I hope you in upcoming time the very huge explosion coming soon. So don't miss this explosion, my friend. 100% they will give you a profit, but if you are starting holding. Yes, my brother, expert says to in upcoming time there is a few reasons, my friends, to the price increasing, especially in last 10 days of every month every coin will increasing, and especially when holder are starting holding, the price will increasing, and short time investor are starting holding, so the price will increasing. So thanks for watching, for everyone, my friends, who is doing very hard work for SLP. Really thank you so much, and I hope, my friends, to upcoming time they will make us millionaire. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.